If you are looking for a simple and tasty bread recipe, then this honeycomb bread is the perfect choice, made with just a few simple ingredients. The name comes from its unique shape, which looks just like a honeycomb. You don't need any special tools or baking skills. Anyone can make it easily at home, perfect for evening nashta, tea time, or even breakfast. This recipe will surely win everyone's heart. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Take a large mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of yeast, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil. Slowly pour 1/4 cup of milk and start mixing everything together. You will notice the mixture turning into a soft and sticky dough. Knead well for about 5 to 6 minutes until the dough becomes smooth. Once the dough is ready, cover the dough and let it rest for about 30 minutes. During this time, the yeast will work and help the dough rise. You will notice that it doubles in size, becoming airy and puffy. After 30 minutes, gently punch it down to remove excess air bubbles formed inside. This helps in maintaining even cooking and gives that beautiful honeycomb shape later. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Take each piece and roll it gently. Shape them into smooth round balls. Make sure there are no cracks on the surface, as smooth dough balls will result in soft, fluffy bread. Keep rolling until all pieces are shaped nicely. Now place the dough balls together in a rolling board and arrange them in a such way that they do not stick to each other. Once they puff up, brush some milk on top. Now heat some oil in a pan on low flame. Make sure the oil is warm but not too hot, otherwise the bread will burn from the outside. Gently place the dough pieces into the oil and fry slowly. Turn them occasionally to ensure even cooking on all sides. Continue frying until they turn golden brown and look perfectly crispy outside. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Once fried, remove the honeycomb bread and place it on a tissue paper to absorb excess oil. The golden brown pieces will look soft and delicious. Now comes the best part. Drizzle some fresh honey over the warm bread. The honey will soak into the soft pieces, making them even sweeter and more delicious. Serve warm with tea, coffee, or enjoy it as a nashta. The soft, fluffy texture with sweet honey on top will melt in your mouth and make everyone ask for more. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.